What if we told you that even the clearest data set can be ruined, not by the numbers, but by the fonts? Typography is often dismissed as decoration, but in information visualization, it decides whether your audience sees clarity or confusion. But fear not! To rescue your data from confusion, 5 heroes have assembled, each with their own special power. Together, they are the Font Squad! Good day, mates. I am Mr. Serif. Formal, dependable, perhaps a touch old-fashioned. You'll find me gracing reports, newspapers, and weighty documents with dignity. But heavens, do spare me the indignity of tiny chart labels. I find details blur into nonsense when reduced to crumbs. Hey, I'm Sammy. I keep things simple, clean, no extra fluff. That's why I'm everyone's go-to for dashboards, charts, and anything data heavy. It means even the tiniest labels still look crisp. Basically, I'm the font equivalent of low effort, high impact. Darling, I'm Sophia, the artist of the group. I swoosh, I swirl, and I make wedding invitations look divine. But data charts, no. My flourishes may be gorgeous, but try reading me on a scatter plot and you'll be lost in my coast. Beauty, not practicality, is my game. Hi besties, Dana here. I'm loud, I'm bold, and I live to stand out. Perfect for headlines, posters, and campaigns. But Comic Sans in a finance report? Major cringe. I'm here for the spotlight, not for your bar chart labels, okay? Hey, I'm Max. I like order. Every letter I type lines up perfectly, which is great for code, tables, and data alignment. Super practical. But yeah, don't use me for long paragraphs unless you want your report to look like a 90s terminal window. I'm efficient, not charming. Now that we have met the Font Squad, let's play a game. Spot the difference in typography. Let's start easy with font choice. Look at Nike's logo. Bold, sans serif, giving strong, powerful, and motivating. Now, swap it to scripted handwriting. Oh no! Suddenly, it feels weak, soft, and so not spotty at all. Just one font swap and the whole vibe changes. Now, let's try a chart. Here's a bar chart in a curly script font. Messy and hard to read, right? Now, switch it to sans serif. Much better. Cleaner, clearer, and consistent. Next round is hierarchy. Look at this Singapore's bus display. What jumps out first? The big, bold final destination at the top. But wait, isn't the next stop what we actually need? And it's tiny, hidden at the bottom. Super confusing. Now, here's the Hamburg's bus display. Spot the difference? The next stop is huge, bold, and high contrast, with a map to help. Easy to read in a second, even from far away. So, what does this all mean? Typography isn't just for show. It's about trust, clarity, and inclusion. When done well, it makes complex data instantly understandable. When done poorly, it confuses, misleads, or even excludes, especially for people with weaker eyesight or accessibility needs. And fonts carry cultural weight. Use Comic Sans in a financial report and you lose credibility. Use scripted fonts in a sports ad and you lose the energy. The wrong choice undermines the story your data is trying to tell. Typography is like a superhero for your data. Serifs, sans serif, script, display, monospace, each has a special superpower. Pick the right one and your data shines bright and clear. Pick the wrong one, your message might get lost. Bye for now!